Congrats! You finally made it to the final step in our wholesale guide for beginners. We would like to thank you for your support and effort to learn this knowledge that so many of us lack. You should be proud you made it through a 15-part series. Welcome to the Hood Real Estate Guide, where we show you how to turn these houses into cash. In this video, we will be discussing closing, aka getting paid in full. This is the last step in our wholesale process. If you missed the previous 14 videos, make sure you check them out so you can catch up on learning our wholesale process. If you're a beginner in the wholesale game, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive our videos on the complete process of wholesaling. Let's get to hustling. You ever see them youngsters on social media who be making them money fans, money phones, and spreading money down their arms and legs? Well, this is what we are about to be doing, because it's time to close and get paid in full. On closing day, they're going to cut you a check for the difference of what you have the property under contract for and what you assigned it for. Simply put, they're going to pay you the money you made in the middle from helping two people buy and sell a house. For example, if you have the house under contract for $90K, but you assigned it for $120K, you walk away with 30 grand. It's that simple. Closing day happens at the closing company's office. After all the paperwork is signed and the seller, aka the plug, gets paid for their home, you get your assignment check and are what we call paid in full. So let's recap. On closing day, you get a check for the difference of what the house is under contract for and what you have assigned it for, aka middleman shit. Closing day happens at the closing company's office on that 30th day. After all the paperwork is signed and the seller gets paid, our check is cut. Are you excited to get out there and start wholesaling? Did our video help you to understand the wholesale process? If so, let us know in the comment section down below. This is the final video of this series, but more are planned in the future. Thanks for watching and learning with us. But until next time, this is your Hood Real Estate Guide.